Dear friends, warm welcome to all of you for a global conference on meditation leaders that's happening in this month, February, at New Delhi in the Conventional Hall of India Habitat Center. So it is a very unique program which is designed by Buddha CEO Foundation, and it is for all business leaders, leaders of all organizations, which includes spiritual organizations. Mainly, every leader need to be a meditator, need to be mindful, so that whatever that leadership that they can give to businesses will be very, very effective and very, very productive and creative. Thank you.